Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Did you know that over 60% of people report feeling more stressed during the winter months? That's right, and it's no surprise with the cold weather and holiday hustle. But guess what? A cozy weekend getaway can be your perfect escape. Picture this: a crackling fireplace, a mug of hot cocoa, and the serene beauty of a snow-covered landscape. Sounds dreamy, right? Let's dive into the ultimate cozy winter weekend getaway and why it's just what you need to relax and rejuvenate. Winter can be tough. The cold weather, shorter days, and holiday pressures can really take a toll on our well-being. But escaping to a cozy retreat can melt away that stress. Imagine snuggling up in a rustic cabin soaking in the warmth of a local inn, or unwinding at a winter retreat designed for pure relaxation. First off, cabin rentals. These little gems are often nestled in picturesque locations, offering the perfect blend of comfort and nature. Think wooden interiors, soft blankets, and stunning views right outside your window. Some even come with hot tubs. Now that's a way to beat the winter blues. Next, local inns. These charming spots offer a homey feel with personalized touches. Many are run by friendly hosts who know all the best local secrets. Whether it's a delicious homemade breakfast or a cozy reading nook by the fire, you'll feel like you're in a home away from home. And let's not forget winter retreats. These are designed specifically for relaxation, with amenities like spa treatments, yoga sessions, and gourmet meals. It's all about pampering yourself and finding peace amidst the winter chill. Let me share a standout experience from my own travels. Last winter, I stayed at a quaint cabin in the mountains. The moment I walked in, I was greeted by the warmth of a roaring fire and the smell of fresh pine. I spent my days exploring snowy trails and my evenings curled up with a good book and some hot mulled cider. It was absolute bliss and left me feeling more refreshed than any city break ever could. So, whether you choose a cabin, an inn, or a retreat, a cozy winter getaway is your ticket to unwinding and beating winter stress. It's all about finding that perfect spot to relax, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and share your favorite winter getaway spots. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other travel guides for more inspiration. Happy travels and stay cozy.